Again, with the help of your thin brushes, let's see what impressions are we going to create. Keep on making these patterns one over the other and overlap it again with the help of green shade at the bottom. Let's see, keep on making these as many as you want, and let's see in the end you have to join them using the thin stem like structure, and let's see what in the end are we going to create. You can decorate it further by making small thin leaves like these of different shades of green. Keep on making these and just tie it with the help of lovely knot like structure. Isn't it amazing? Now you have to take a slate and with the help of chalk you have to draw this jar. And you can just decorate further with the help of earbuds. You can just put the imprints as well and the shadow. In it you have to, with the help of your paintbrush and thin paintbrush, you have to make the stems and then these imprints of circular with the help of earbuds. Keep on putting these and you will get an amazing lovely result. Again, with the help of another white color, you have to put the imprints like this of white shade. Isn't it looking damn amazing and pretty? You can further decorate it by making some bees and all over the other and all the sides to make it look realistic, and in the end you can give it final touch. Proceeding further with the help of a small fork, you have to give the imprints with the help of shades of any color that you want, and then again you have to press it further with the help of circular paintbrush. Let's see, with the help of white imprints, you have to make these lovely beautiful patterns like this one over the other, and you will get amazing tulip flowers. Isn't it damn amazing? And you have to join them further using your green stem. Yes, green shade, and don't forget to put the leaves around. Again, you have to, with the help of your marker or chalk, you have to create it like this so as to give it a beautiful bouquet-like structure. Isn't it looking damn amazing and pretty just to decorate your room further? Yes, you should definitely try. With the finger you can smudge them and you will get an amazing pretty real look. Isn't it looking damn amazing? You should definitely gonna try them. Yes, tie it with the help of knot and you will get an amazing result. Proceeding further, let's see what are we gonna do. Again, you have to put the imprints like this. Keep on making these, and with the help of lovely green, yellow, purple, these circular thin brushes, you have to give the imprints in this manner. Let's see what in the end are we going to get. Keep on giving these imprints one over the other with the help of different shades of color, and you will get an amazing result in the end. Yes, this is going to give your art a different look, a different vibe. Yes, you're surely gonna enjoy, and in the end you can decorate further by making these green circular structures and then the leaves around. Yes, this is gonna look damn amazing. You can give it another final touch by giving it another shade of green color. Thank you so much.